Demolish your debts through the debt snowball method. Follow these steps keenly for them to be effective. It's a psychological approach to debt repayment designed to build confidence and discipline. If you have used this method, leave a comment. Tell if it works. Let's help each other. Step 1. List your debts. Make a list of all your debts. Include the total amount owed and the minimum monthly payment for each. Step 2. Order your debts. Arrange your debts from smallest to largest based on the total amount owed. Step 3. Make sure to pay minimums on all debts to avoid late fees and penalties. Step 4. Allocate extra money to the smallest debt. Identify any extra money you can allocate to debt repayment beyond the minimum payments. This could be from cutting expenses, increasing income, or reallocating budgeted funds. Step 5. Snowball effect. Once the smallest debt is paid off, take the entire amount you are paying towards it, minimum payment plus extra money, and apply it to the next smallest debt. Step 6. Repeat until you are debt-free, snowballing the freed-up money from each paid-off debt to the next one. As you pay off smaller debts, you'll have more money available to tackle larger debts. The key is to gain momentum and motivation as you eliminate smaller debts, making it easier to tackle larger ones.